This is your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. You type something, delete, edit, move text, then press Ctrl Z, and boom, everything goes back step by step. How does the system remember all your actions? It feels like magic, but the secret isn't what you think. Here's the secret. It doesn't remember the final result. It remembers every individual action you performed. This is called a command pattern or an operation stack. Behind the scenes, every action you do is stored as a specific command. For example, insert text, delete word, or bold text. All these go into a stack, following the LIFO principle, last in, first out. When you press undo, the system picks the last action and reverses it. Press it again, and the next last action rolls back. There's also a redo stack, so you can bring those actions back again if you change your mind. Advanced editors use event sourcing to store full history and snapshots to avoid replaying everything from the very start. Think of it like a stack of plates. The last plate you put on the top is the first one you remove. Same logic. So undo isn't magic. It's stack-based tracking and smart history management. Follow Quantumnique for more interview questions explained like real life.